Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Alert coming to you from Windy Wellington. Today I have with me Jason and David from the team over at NEM. Guys, welcome.
Yes. Thank you. We love Wellington. It's always good to meet face to face. Been a big fan of your videos, and it's glad to be part of the show.
Yeah.
Great to be here.
Awesome, great to have you guys. Only a short flight from Australia, a windy and bumpy one, mind you, but a short flight nevertheless. Lon and Jeff have already stepped down, actually, from their positions as president and vice president of the NEM Foundation. What's the inside gossip on that? What happened?
Well, I guess first off, we are very, very thankful for the great work that Lon and Jeff had done. Essentially, Lon was very important in the formation of the council and providing a structure and leadership to it, and Jeff was instrumental regarding the build of NEM. So he was actually the author of Apostle, together with a team to develop, which is a time-stamping function on the blockchain, but obviously more than that. And also I want to support the first community fund proposal, Luxstack, and that they have been making strides in having paid clients as well. But I guess besides the official announcement, which you can read on our Medium page, is that Lon has together with the team came up with a very transformational and revolutionary platform that would be a big compliment to NEM. So maybe David, you can explain more.
Yeah, so it's called Proxima X, and actually the ICO launched yesterday, and then I think it's going to go on for just another, well, eight or nine more days. So Proxima X is something that's going to really take advantage of all the features of Catapult, and it's a file sharing IPFS platform as well as data streaming platform. So it's going to really highlight what Catapult can be used for. One, it's like a use case, but a massive use case. So it's kind of like a side chain, and it's a mosaic that's also built on NEM, so it uses all the great features of NEM. And well, you know, we could probably spend a half an hour talking about it. Why don't you guys go and check it out? It's proximax.io.
Yep, so essentially it's a distributed file management system, because one of the holy grails of blockchain was I can't store files on the blockchain without clogging up the blockchain, right? So Lon and the team had the idea, and because of the amount of work required to grow Proxima X, it was a decision within the council that Lon focuses on Proxima X, and also then make way for new leadership and more to come into the NEM blockchain management team and build that platform. So we are very glad that Lon has made that decision, and obviously with the consent and with the support of the council and the community as well. So I think we're growing from strength to strength. And with regards to Jeff, maybe you want to update as well, David, on Jeff?
Well, actually, both Jeff and Lon, they haven't left. They've just moved to different roles.
That's right, they're still advisors.
Yeah. They stepped down from their roles, but they are very much still involved with NEM, just in different capacities, and I think they will be contributing maybe even more than before, because now they're involved in different things with Lon, with Proxima X, and then Jeff, he wants to build up Luxstack and some of the other things that he's doing, and he wants to build also more applications on the NEM blockchain, and we're very excited for that.
Actually, that's what I'm very excited for. Like Jeff, his real core values in research and development.
That's right. He's a very smart guy.
He's a very smart guy, and he's very good, you know, speaking and explaining NEM to the world. Right. A part of being a council revolves around back-end management and activities, right? Which we feel that, you know, Jeff can start to delegate and empower others to do, and for him to focus on what he does best. So it's all support to Lon and Jeff, and for the new leadership to come on board as well.
That's really cool. I love you guys' excitement and enthusiasm for it. So, by the way, you're two awesome team members.
NEM is still one of our biggest holdings, and will continue to be.
We're long on NEM.
Long on NEM.
You gotta be. Now, one thing too, when I looked at Proxima X and you go to the website, the first name on the team is Lon. I'm like, oh, wait a second, this is really interesting. It's definitely worth taking a notice. Make sure you guys go and check that website out. Now, there are a lot of blockchains out there. How do you get the message out about NEM when, like, you know, you have Dash that they're doing TV ads and they're doing plane advertisements and they're sponsoring sports teams and all that stuff? So what's been the marketing strategy to guess really raise brand awareness for NEM?
Okay, one thing that everyone should watch out for is that we want to be very strategic in our positioning. And in consensus in New York City from 14 to 16 May, which is, I think, arguably one of the largest blockchain conferences in the world. We're expecting between 3,000 to 5,000 people. It's hosted by CoinDesk. NEM has made a very clear commitment to show a large presence there. So we will have multiple booths with a lot of people that you see probably in their NEM t-shirts from around the world representing NEM and sharing about what we do. So first is obviously being very strategic in specific conferences. One of our focus as well is the fact that we're community driven, and we will continue to use local meetups and events to continue to share about NEM. That's one of the marketing strategies that we have. And I guess the third one is really about pushing real world use cases on NEM. And two really important so I would probably say weapons to attack, right? One is the NEM Community Fund, which is funding startups and businesses to build on the NEM blockchain. And the second one is the NEM ICOs. We're quite interested to see where the development of the NEM ICO platforms come in, where we have the equivalent Mosaic compared to the ERC20 token up on board, and we're creating a lot of infrastructure to build ICOs and NEM, and we're looking forward to see more of that.
Yeah, I think we got at least 5 to 10 use cases which would be maturing this year. I mean, like Corporate Bank, KundiX, and all that. Yeah. So once those things really get launched, I think that would give a lot of publicity, a lot of understanding and knowledge about what the tech can do. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. Yeah.
And there's two really important things there, and I just really want to highlight this for everyone, because you have the community fund. So if you are a development team and you want to build on NEM, you can come and approach the guys, and you can actually put up a community fund proposal, and if the community likes what you're doing, you can get money. Now, that's one way to get funding on NEM, and I think that's really powerful because it says you don't have to go out and run this whole ICO, which is a whole different thing in of itself. It's just this giant marketing thing, and there's all these fees involved with it. So you can actually just come and build on NEM and potentially get community funding. And then, of course, opening up to ICOs more, this is also huge because it lets this whole flood of business come in for people who want to build all kinds of crazy things on the blockchain, which is really, really cool as well.
That's right. And I think timing is good as well, because regulators around the world are very conscious of the fact that ICOs are coming, and they want to start to provide measures in place, which we feel is a good thing, because the more measures are in place, the more you see the good ICOs that want to be above board, work with integrity, pay their taxes, actually come and provide real value to the ecosystem. And NEM is happy to support it as our technology and infrastructure meets the needs of where the world is heading as well.
Very, very cool. Guys, this has been an awesome chat. I think there's so much information out there about NEM. We've only scratched the surface, but nevertheless, that's it. Nevertheless, it's a good update on what's happening over at NEM. So thank you guys so much for sitting down, and Windy Wellington.
Thank you. We're glad to be here, and I'd like to continue to say you've been doing a very good job. Continue to, you are the mouthpiece and the eyes and ears of the community, and it's important to continue to engage with everyone and anyone to talk about different blockchains, and obviously the NEM blockchain as well. Continue to do that.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.